It refers to the exercise of control within society through the making and enforcement of collective decisions. Correct answer is D. Politics. Indicator of good governance wherein the most vulnerable ones are taken into consideration. Correct answer is B. Equity and inclusiveness. How did Aristotle view politics? D. Politics allows human beings to have an attempt in improving their lives and create the good society. What view about politics stresses the statement, conflict resolution is at the heart of politics? The correct answer, D. Politics is compromise and consensus. If you are studying politics, you are studying the government. Two aspects are under this setting. One is on the personnel of the government, while the other aspect is on what? C. Machinery of government. Thank you for quizzing, like and subscribe to this channel.